Alright, y'all. What's going on, y'all? No intro. I just saw something that was super disturbing. Y'all know we just were talking about they would try to do everything they can to get Trump off the ballot and to stop him from running. So I'm sitting here at my desk looking at other content, and then I see this crap right here. Look at this crap. Look, what does this mean? Look at this crap. What does this mean? What does this mean? What does this mean? The Colorado Supreme Court on Tuesday, which is today, threw former President Donald Trump off the state 2024 presidential ballot, ruling that Trump engaged in the January 6th, staking the riot at the Capitol. We did not reach this conclusion lightly, the majority opinion reads. And then also I read another article. I don't know if I trust them or not, because I know this is leftist, but it made it read as if, is this true, y'all, that he's completely disqualified from running as president? Did anybody know about this? Is this, literally this just came across like 10 minutes ago. So are they saying that he's disqualified? Is he completely disqualified under the 14th Amendment, which I'm about to read now? Or are they saying in Colorado he can't run? Somebody please drop it down below, because this got me thrown off right here. Are they saying he's out? I'm going to have to read the 14th Amendment. I want to read the 14th Amendment. 14th Amendment said was ratified on July 9, 1868. The amendment granted citizenship to those born and naturalized United States and guaranteed freedom, due process, and equal protection under the law to all Americans. In doing so, it expanded the scope of the Constitution's protection of individual liberty. Now the Constitution protected rights not only from infringement by the federal government, but from infringement by state and local will. The 14th Amendment ratification generates some controversy for a time, particularly from legal scholars of the South who claimed that the amendment was invalid because of its ratification process. Despite withdrawing their approval of the amendment, two states, Ohio and New Jersey, were counted as ratified in the amendment, aware of the difficulty. So let's go back. Let's go back. But I don't get it. So I read an article that said that he was going to be disqualified under the 14th Amendment. But the 14th Amendment is regarding granted citizenships to all persons born in natural United States. What does that matter? Trump is from the U.S. Why is that even relevant? Why is that even relevant? Why they have to say under the 14th Amendment, like the 14th Amendment is relevant in this situation? What's relevant about that? People are dropping these articles left and right. What is the 14th Amendment, and can it block Trump's 2024 presidential bid? I'm looking at it right now. It says, this is an older article. Nope, because now I don't trust what they're saying, because some news sources are left leaning and they want to make it for their audience, make them feel better, like he's been kicked out. We about to see. What is the... Yeah, it's still conflicting. So it says here, like I'm looking at Politico, the Colorado Supreme Court on Tuesday threw Donald Trump's off the state 2024 ballot. Okay, Colorado has become a Democratic state, so that means he can't be on the ballot for the Republicans to vote for him. The ruling that engaged in the insurrection by stoking the riot, blah blah blah. I just read that. The 4-3 ruling, which rests on the interpretation of the 14th Amendment, which I keep reading. The 14th Amendment is regarding being a natural born citizen. How can they throw something in unless he's a natural? Trump was born in America. Will almost certainly force the issue to the United States Supreme Court, which may soon need to involve whether Trump is eligible to hold future public office. So this is saying, wait, it's got more down here. We do not reach these conclusions. Highly, the Colorado majority opinion reads, we are mindful of the magnitude and weight of the questions now before us. We are likewise mindful of our solemn duty to apply the law without fear or favor and without being swayed by the public reaction to the decision that the law mandate we reach. The court is the first in the nation to side with activists and voters who have filed numerous lawsuits claiming Trump is barred from the ruling under the 14th Amendment. So the 14th Amendment, it says the insurrection clause. So, okay, now they're breaking down. So it's the insurrection clause, which states that anyone who engaged in insurrection or rebellion after taking an oath of office to support the Constitution is forbidden from holding any public office. All right, y'all. So had a little bit of interruption in the video, but so this is the 14th Amendment Insurrection Act. So now we are trying to determine, the next thing will be determined if the U.S. Supreme Court agrees with the Colorado Supreme Court. If the U.S. Supreme Court agrees with the Colorado Supreme Court, Trump cannot run for president, period. But it looks like if the U.S. Supreme Court does not agree with the Colorado Supreme Court, Trump can still run, but he won't be on the ballot of Colorado, which one is bad, two is horrible. So yeah, we got to pray. Yeah, we got to pray. I didn't expect to even have a message like this, or we have a video being made about this until the top of the year about anything being said on this. I didn't know this was going to happen right before the end of the year. This kind of unbelievable. Like that this is pushed to this level, that this at this point, and this at the very end of the year. So January 4th is when they're going to start back, and the two Supreme Courts are going to make a decision. Thank God that the Colorado Supreme Court doesn't have the final say so. But when a Supreme Court says they want to do something, that's tough, because a bigger Supreme Court seems to take that opinion and take those views and the evidence and stuff. So you gotta pray, y'all. This is pretty tough. And now I told y'all about next year was gonna be buck. I ain't know we're gonna start hearing about it before the next year gets here. Yeah. I want y'all to drop down below what do y'all think is gonna happen. We're in class, but you don't have to raise your hand. Drop all your comments at the bottom. What do you think? What do you think will happen? The only option after that we got Nikki Haley and Vivek. And honestly, I still would say Vivek first and then Nikki, but I don't know how I'm not sure. Because I didn't have my mind banked on those two. I had my mind banked on Trump.
It's not over yet.
So it's not over yet. But they got into January 4th. January 4th is going to have to determine, because it has to be said and locked in place before at the top of the year, so that you know who's going to be the running, who's going to be the official running for that year, because it gets wild for the candidates for that year up to November. They got 11 months to go at it. So, all right, man. I just want to drop y'all this. I just kind of like a impromptu real quick that I saw popped up, and I thought this was super important to mention. Some people probably looking at articles and seeing this, and some people probably have no clue that this information has just been released. All right, man. Like, comment, subscribe. Don't take a nose down, but comment down in the section below. I got it.